Take a look at this 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air convertible. 57 Tri-5 ragtop. Absolutely beautiful. And in the baby blue, it is the look on this car that really makes it. Also has a blue vinyl top, kind of the two-tone blue interior. Vinyl top is in nice shape. You can check that out in the still pictures if you'd like. The still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Get down close to some of this bright work. Just take a look at how nice that looks. Not all nicked up, scratched up, dings, anything like that. The whole front of the car, for that matter. I mean, just beautiful shape. The gold V Chevrolet logo. This car will definitely turn heads, no doubt about that. Underneath the hood, 283, 220 horse, turbo fire engine, paired up, power glide transmission. It does have an automatic in it. It also has a power top. Car goes down the road very, very nice, and you can see the fit and finish. I mean, take a look at the way that door fits. But as I was saying, car goes down the road very nice. The previous owners actually drove this car here from over an hour away. It's got a beautiful stance to it also, which you'll know when I get around on the other side. Take a look at the interior a little bit. I'm going to show you a couple things that really make this car unbelievable here in a second. There's actually two things in this car I've never seen in a Tri-5 convertible Chevy that are pretty cool and quite rare. One's custom, one is stock from Chevrolet. I'm going to save the surprise for a little later when we start the car and get it running and I show you. So yeah, I mean, just take a look down how straight this car is. Right on the wide whites. Correct wheel covers. Come around to the back. Continental kit. I was talking about the still pictures. Check out the engine bay, the trunk of this car, how tight it is. Those pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll also be able to see the underside of the car. We're going to go ahead and come around and start it up. But again, the bright work. I showed you the chrome on the bumpers. Take a look at the chrome on the sides and rear of this car, any of the gold. This car will show well. Any Tri-5 shows you'd like to go to, any of your local cruise-ins, it will definitely turn heads. Or just out for that Sunday drive and you want to enjoy it. You can go ahead and fire this up. As you can see, interior is also very nice shape, not full of rips, nicks, or tears. Does have seat belts to it. And just all the way around it, door cards, everything. Beautiful, beautiful 57 Chevy. We can go ahead and fire this up. I'll just reach in here a second. That's all it takes to start the car. Now, one of the custom things I was going to show you is, check this out. Wanted to have a modern stereo in the car, so they stashed one right there. Want to listen to it, put it up, go to a show, you want it to look stock, and just put it right back down in there. How cool is that? Very, very neat. Get it set in the station you want, put it right back down underneath there. Now, it's something else I haven't seen on one of these in a convertible, and this is actually a stock feature. By the way, see how nice that door closes? And again, look at the fit and finish on this side. Coming around to the front and open this hood. Hopefully with one hand, hold the camera a second. You're 283, 220 horse. But check this out. Air conditioning factory. It has not been charged. The car was restored, has not been charged, but all you'd have to do, recharge it. There's your AC. Everything's plumbed in. And again, factory AC on a 57 Bel Air convertible. Come around and take a look. This factory controls on the AC too. I didn't show you before when we were in here. You want to wreck the surprise. Look at that. There's your factory controllers for the AC. That's the switch I was hitting for the radio going up and down, and the power top switch is also underneath there. And then there's your AC vents. also one on the other side. If you're looking for a beautiful 57 Bel Air convertible with a couple interesting options, make it really stand apart, here it is. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Don't forget, check out all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com.